Hi, this video is going to show you a demonstration of the Foundrylogic Retail Mobile Point of Sale application. And we're going to get right to the demo, but first, let me just show you a couple of slides that will explain the system to you and also show you some hardware that we work with. So, mobile point of sale, we're starting to see it. It's popular in retail stores. The purpose is to get out from behind the cash register. It allows your sales associates to work directly with your customers in the aisle. The days of the big clunky cash register are over. The Foundrylogic Retail Mobile Point of Sale software, it works with Retail Pro 8 and 9, allows you to do point of sale checkout on the sales floor, answer customer questions, view your catalog, provide personal service, and you can set up the system for remote sales events. The app is a free download from the App Store, and you'll also find a demo and tutorial guide on our website. In that tutorial guide, it'll show you how to log into our demonstration server on the internet. So we encourage all of you that may listen to this video, please download the app, give it a shot. The app runs on all Apple mobile devices, iPod Touch, iPad, and iPhone, and Foundrylogic is a Retail Pro development partner. Pocket-sized hardware and hardware you can carry around that protects the device. We really like this Honeywell Captuvo sled. It takes an iPod Touch. It fits inside the sled. It's very small, very light, fits in your pocket. It has an encrypted credit card reader and also a barcode scanner on the top of the device. Very high quality. We also work with the Ingenico ISMP sled. That accepts iPod Touch and iPhone. It has an encrypted card reader. It also does contactless mobile NFC applications. It has EMV chip and pin capability and a barcode scanner. It's pocket-sized as well. If you're interested in an iPad tablet on your countertop, well, we do that too. All you do is plug in an encrypted card reader through the payment provider that we use, and you can also use an external Bluetooth scanner. Okay, now let's get on to the demo. All right, this is the app, what the app looks like. It's an icon on your home page when you download it from the App Store. Just touch it to start the app. Log in with our demonstration user ID, Greg, and password, Greg. Touch login. And this will show you the work you've done. I haven't completed any sales yet, so my screen is blank. Now I'm going to start a sale. We'll just do a quick sale. Say the shopper has come up to us and wants to buy something. They already know what it is. I'm going to touch the plus sign at the bottom of the screen, and we'll start a sale. Now I'm going to use my scanner, scan some items. The customer's handed me their credit card, and I'm going to swipe it. Notice in the bottom left corner, we have a little alert with a person's head, that red alert. That means we have not assigned a customer, but maybe we're not interested for this sale. It's just a quick sale. I'm going to swipe the card now. It'll go out to our payment gateway, and the transaction's approved. I'll ask the customer to sign with their finger and touch the plus sign at the top. Now we have our credit card tender. Touch Done, and we can email or print the receipt. I'll touch Done at the top, and the sale's completed. If I go into Retail Pro, and I'll refresh my screen, you can see that Greg just made a sale to a customer who was not named. Here's what they purchased. We did not enter shipping information. Here's the tender, and the sale is in Retail Pro immediately. That's how fast our integration is with Retail Pro. Okay, now let's show you a few more features. Maybe I want to search my customers before I start the sale. Well, I'll just touch the customer icon in the bottom left, and here comes up my contact list. Let's say we're going to maybe do a sale with Isaac Newton. Okay, is your address and email information correct, Mr. Newton? Oh no, maybe we need to add some information on address too. If I start typing in any one of these fields, it's going to then ask me to save the customer information. Notice at the top, there's a save button now. I'll touch it. Mr. Newton's, we've now just updated his customer information in our backend database. Retail Pro already has it. Now I just touch the plus sign and I've added Isaac Newton to the sale. Notice the alert at the bottom of the screen is gone because we've assigned a customer. I can scan items, but I can also search for items. Okay, so that's what our inventory file icon is in the bottom middle. This will bring up our items. I can type anything I like here, description names, maybe we're looking for slacks. Oh, here's our style grid, size, color matrix. Let's say we're looking for these white ones at the bottom. Oh, and we have a -4 on-hand quantity, but I can show an image to the customer, and I can show them on-hand quantities in my other stores. Okay, so we can go ahead and take this sale. Let's go ahead and add that to the receipt. All right. So now we've got a couple of items added to the sale here. We could go ahead and check out just like we did before, but there are a few more features, kind of rich features I want to show you. If I can do more than just assign a customer to this receipt. If I touch my receipt details in the bottom left corner, you can see that Isaac Newton is my customer. I can change my receipt type. Maybe it's a return, maybe it's a sale. I can also bring in a shipping address. Here's what we have on file for Mr. Newton. Let's bring his shipping address in. I can add shipping fees. Let's say it's a $50 shipping fee. I'll save that. We've now added shipping and fees. We have a taxable flag. We can add your other Retail Pro fees. Perhaps, for instance, we have a $20 tailoring fee. We could add that. Okay. I'm now adding fees and saving that to the receipt. We can see that this customer has an employee price level assigned. We could change the sales associate assigned to this to the sales receipt if somebody else should get the commission. Maybe it's Jan. Oh, change the associate on all items? Yes, let's do that. We support POS flags. Maybe use that for reporting. Maybe use that for your accounting integration. We support all of these things. And of course, we also support comments that you may have already loaded in your system. Okay, if I touch back, now all those things are on the sale as well. If I touch an item on the sale, I can change any of the item attributes. Maybe for some reason, this is a good reason, we're going to buy 3 of these cargo shorts. All right, you can see that the shopper's customer discount has come in on these line items. Okay, Isaac Newton has that customer discount. Now I could either swipe the card here and check out, or I can touch the checkout button, maybe if I've got multiple tenders. One thing I could do, if there's a reason that I cannot finish the sale on the mobile device, I could use the up arrow in the bottom right corner and send it to Retail Pro as a held receipt. Okay? I won't do that. I'll go ahead and finish the sale, but that's a good way to save your information even if you don't close the sale, all right, using the mobile device. I can do multiple tenders. Maybe we're going to do, let me touch back at the top, maybe we're going to do a little bit in cash, all right. I'll touch the cash icon at the bottom left. Let's add $5 in cash, okay, $5, touch the plus sign at the top. Now we have a cash tender. Now maybe I'll finish the rest with my credit card, so we'll do a swipe. And we'll go out to our payment gateway. It'll request approval, and we'll ask the shopper to sign with their fingertip, okay? And we'll add that tender to the sales receipt as well. Now we have no more amount due. I'll say done. I can email the receipt or print it. If I touch email receipt, it's going to go to the email address on file. If I want to print, I can select from all the printers that I might have available to me for receipt printing. I would just pick the one that's closest to me, all right? And I could touch print and print it. I'll say done. Now we can see that this sale has also gone to Retail Pro. And if we go back into Retail Pro, I'll refresh the screen. And we can see that Greg made a sale to Isaac Newton. If we go into Form View, we can see these are the items Isaac Newton bought. We can also see that things that we changed on the receipt, like who's responsible. Oh, it was Jan. She was responsible. All those changes are here. Remember, we added some comments. Those are here. We added a tailoring charge. That's in Retail Pro. We added shipping, if you'll remember. We even changed his shipping address a little bit. And then here's our multiple tender. Okay, so all of the information, everything that you've done, on the mobile device, goes into Retail Pro immediately. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration. For more information, contact your Retail Pro business partner for complete sales and support, or send us an email at foundrylogic.com. Thank you very much. Appreciate your time.